Hello. I've got another video review for you. This is another Cutss knife. This is a Karambit. It's the Karambit case hardened version, and it's $10.99 right now. It's actually on sale. It's $19 off. Each knife comes individually in a bubble wrap here, envelope, and in the Cutss box. And it's cuttsknives.com or it's cutss.com, as you can see, cutss.com. And as of right now, these Karambits are buy one get one, which is a really good deal, I think. Especially, I mean, they're $10.99 as is. They're on sale, but then they're also buy one get one. This one again is called the Case Hardened in the style. I'm not sure why it's called Case Hardened. I don't know. Kind of looks like tie-dye or something to me, but whatever. So this is it here. It's an ABS handle. We do have a nice grip to it, the texture there. A nice feel, actually. It comes with the sheath here, which locks into place. There's a little part of the handle that comes out, and the sheath locks in there. Actually locks very tightly. The knife is 19.5 centimeters in length, the total. About that. And yes, they are actually sharp. I was surprised. I cut myself a little bit there. But we have our little neck strap lanyard, whatever you want to call it. You could do that or not. But here it is here. As you can see, it's full-size knife. It really is. Here is the... They do lock in nicely. They do come with a slight coating of oil on them. And there's the blade. This is the case hardened one, actually. It seems quality made. It's nice. Has a nice heft to it. Nice, a nice feel. There's really, I mean, if you're looking at it, overall quality is very nice. There's not like, extra pieces of plastic on it or anything like that. I was really surprised at the quality for the price. It's $11. It's not bad at all. $10.99. I wasn't expecting much, to be honest. So, I'd buy one, get one free. It was a really good deal. But, this is it here. This is the case hardened one. As you can see, that's the pattern there, which they call case hardened. I don't know why. And the pattern does go, all the way through to the ring as well. And the ends do have a, a little notch on them for striking. The pommel, I guess you would call that. I'm not sure this would be a pommel because of the ring, but whatever. Again, Karambit Cutss knives. These are only available right now through their website. You can't get these on Amazon, but other Cutss knives are on Amazon. But you can only get the buy one get one deal through them as well, through their website. It's a very nice quality knife. It looks nice. I'm not sure about the finish, of course. The longevity of it, I mean. It does look nice, obviously. The sheath is nice. It is fairly stiff, thick, and it does lock into place very well, actually. I mean, it takes quite a bit of force to get it out, is what I'm trying to say. So you're not going to lose it, if you have this around your neck or something like that. Now, these are, CSGO, Counter-Strike is the idea. Behind these is real life. They're based on the knives you'd find in Counter-Strike. So, I'm not a Counter-Strike person myself. I don't really do the multiplayer. I prefer single-player games, with stories and stuff like that. That's what I like. But, Cutss knife, Karambit case hardened, CSGO, it's only $10.99 right now, which is a really good deal. Again, buy one, get one. So, you can get two of these, for $11, which is a very, very good deal. Links down below in the description. Nice knife, nice quality knife for the price. I'm impressed, really. Thanks.